South Central Indiana, Central Meade County in Central Kentucky until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles south of Carefree Town, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brandenburg, Muldraugh, Akron, Lockport, Laconia, New Amsterdam, New Boston, Rock Haven, Grahampton, and Central. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a special weather